Hi everybody out there. Thanks for watching my channel. This is actually my first video I'm putting up on YouTube here, and I'm showing a video how to replace the brake and blinker light assembly on a Kia Rio 2014. What happened was the socket of the brake light on my Kia burned out, and I wasn't able to put in, or it just didn't hold the bulb anymore, so I had to buy the whole unit because they just don't sell the wire harness. And yeah, tried to find something on Amazon but didn't fit. Also checked all the junkyards. They didn't have a Kia Rio 2014, but perhaps where you live maybe a junkyard has the car, so it would be kind of easy to just get the wire harness and save a bunch of money. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, let's get started. I already took the bolts off. They're actually on the side here, and just one goes here, one here, and one here. And yeah, and then to make it a little bit faster, but it's just 3 bolts. And then basically what you do is you just wiggle the light a little bit here. And if it doesn't come off, it has to slide out this way. You just have to wiggle a little bit. Sometimes you may need a tool like this. Maybe just spray in a little bit. But usually I don't need it. I just pull it like this. I just grab it like this, and it just comes off like this. And then let me turn on some light so you can see. Then what you do is you grab here the tool. There's a little grommet. Take that grommet, take it out, just spray it a little bit. Maybe a little bit more light here. Okay, there we go. Grommet comes out. You just pull the wire harness out. And then on the wire harness, there's a little hitch notch here, and you just press it down, and then you just pull, and it just comes right out. It just plugs in, plugs out. So if somebody can just find like this harness, or maybe just the socket, like this is the socket for the brake light which broke, which kind of like do it like this, which burned out on me. And what sometimes happens, they burn out, they get stuck, and if you try to get the bulb out, sometimes you break the socket. So this is exactly what happened to me. But if you can find a socket or like a wire harness at a junkyard, or maybe online somewhere, then only do is cut the wires, rewire, and maybe cost you like, I don't know, 20, 25 bucks or whatever for the parts. But otherwise, like I had to do, I have to replace the whole light, and the whole light is about, I think with tax was about $230 or something. So, but maybe with my video, may still be able to save you on, if you have this installed, save you at least on the labor. So this is the wood light. It's just basically like a shame. I put it away, and I get here is the new light. I got the new light right here, brand new wiring harness. Maybe just put it in place like this. So here is like, if you see that little notch here, that little thing, this one slides right in here. So if you have it like this, you just pull it out, it comes right off. But yeah, let me re-plug this here. So you plug like this. So pull it back in. Put it back in. Put the grommet back in. Make sure that the grommet is all the way in, so there's no water leaking into here. So there we go, that's it. And then you just try to find that little thing, line everything up, give it a little push here, and then using like a Phillips screwdriver, Just put the bolts back in here. So maybe that job maybe take like, I don't know, not even 5 minutes. Here, another one here. Here we go. And where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Okay. So 3 bolts, pretty easy. Phillips screwdriver. And that's basically it. And then I'm gonna test it. Here we go. There we go. Let me turn this off here. So now I'm gonna be testing the brake light and push the brakes and see, and hopefully it's gonna work. There we go. Oh, voila. Wow, looks perfect. Great. Yeah, thanks. Thanks everybody for watching my video. I hope I was able to help somebody, and even though it was an easy job, but who knows, maybe save somebody some money, at least for labor. Thank you very much, and I'm sure to put up some more videos.